You've seen her in Lifetime movies and on Netflix. Jamaican actress and one-time model Parisa Fitz Henley is under the microscope in this week's Wray Proud Moments.
Wray Proud Moments is brought to you by Wray & Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit. Jamaican actress Parisa Fitz Henley has made Jamaica proud with her dazzling performances on the international scene. After moving into acting in 2002, Parisa has appeared in several American television series and movies. Chief among her credentials are roles in Jessica Jones, Luke Cage, and Midnight Texas. In 2018, she played the role of Meghan Markle in the film Harry and Meghan, a Royal Romance. Parisa was born in Jamaica, where she attended the St. Andrew High School for Girls. At the age of 18, she won the Miss Jamaica Fashion Model title. Her most recent project is the Sony Pictures horror film Fantasy Island, which is to be released in early 2020. Parisa Fitz Henley's success in films and television series in the US is indeed a Wray Proud moment. Wray Proud Moments is brought to you by Wray & Nephew White Overproof Rum. Share the spirit.
Now let's head on over to St. Kitts to check out Just Live by Dagah.
Just got paid, so I'm living life like I am not afraid. I'm trying to see some things that I ain't seen. I'm trying to go to places I ain't been. I just know, that I've been looking for something, and I don't even know what it is, and I'm just trying to find it myself. Ooh, yeah. We'll just live like we're chasing the sun. We'll just live like we're looking for something. We'll just live like we're chasing our dreams. We'll just live cause we never had nothing. That's the way that I'm living my life, cause I know deep down I'm gonna make it. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I know I've been searching for a long time. I just gotta make a move, whether win or lose. I don't know why I feel like I got a point to prove. I've been so confused, caught up in the news. I feel like I'm about to blow, just gotta light the fuse. We'll just live like we're chasing the sun. We'll just live like we're looking for something. We'll just live like we're chasing our dreams. We'll just live cause we never had nothing.
Is Vybz Kartel still on top, or did Hot Frost move into the #1 spot? Only one way to find out, the Magnum Top 10 charts.
Girl alert, Kush God loves you and every girl a Turk. Girl come on me hard like your mother church. Get me back and all, you run like you grab a purse. Girl them team and leafy chopper. Circle the bends, everybody flatter. Mach 90 bus, full him up a copper. Boy brain fly. It's a mental stand by. I know keyboard, but you are my type. Yeah, you are my type. She said, oh, Mr. Sweet. If me and sugar related, me say baby.
Want money and not that me make for. Bad song I play, pull it up now. Good body girl, broke out. Big work for this.
Steady up, man, bring it anywhere. Outside and a bonus spliff. Glock 17 day with the rubber grip. You know a wild side never fear.
Cool it down. Cool it down. Cool it down. Me a cool it down. Me have to cool it down because him say me feel like.
Girl, tell me say me well up.
Good.
Artist singing at the streets and I me say that.
Good.
Everything when me put on from Gucci to Louis Vuitton, Jimmy Choo, Italian, Balenciaga.
Anywhere I go, the girl them love me. Like a 4-leaf glove on me luck, yeah. And if me tell you how much girl you woulda judge me, just know say the thing well up, yeah.
Polo shirt and me damn shorts. Tight jeans with the damn clocks. On the road we a bruff. We no drink out a cup, that we pop cock. Polo shirt.
I'll get on you, get your money longer. Ready, broke pocket now work. Straight from the narrow now, make no wrong turn. Teddy, cheddar, money maker any weather. Perry, treasure, dig it up and with the leather. Teddy.
And we bid you farewell from Crossroads in St. Andrew on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Chrissy. Until next time, walk good.
On the prize. You're the gift that keeps on giving. You're my father. You're my father. You're my father.
We a top man, we take charge. Magnum we drink and we a shell down bars. Blast like a star with some gallopers. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge, take charge.
Yeah, and gal, we set the trend. Magnum we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. At blem, back bend, and take charge, take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge, take charge.
You know how we Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place rockle. No, we turn up in a sack. Take charge, take
charge.
Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them. Take charge, take charge. Magnum.
Chicago, get ready for the annual Chicago Jerk Festival on Sunday, June 23rd at Washington Park, featuring live performances by Idonia, Destra,
Everybody take a cup, take a cup.
Mad Cobra, Stoneboy, and so many more. Backed by Rough Cut Band and hosted by Pretty Boy Floyd and Field Marshall. Jerk food, seafood, arts and craft, live music and Kids Zone. Gates open at 11 a.m. and you can purchase early bird $25 tickets online at ChicagoJerkFest.eventbrite.com. For more details, call 312-479-3693. There will also be a bun and patty eating contest. It's the annual Chicago Jerk Festival, Sunday, June 23rd. And it's all taking place at Washington Park, 5533 Russell Drive. Brought to you by Jabari CG Productions in association with African International House. Sponsored by Red Stripe, Western Union, True Juice, Big Up, Boom, and The Release.